Miracle Center Youth Ministry invite you to the JIT concert, Jesus in the House, on Friday 14th December from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. Powerful ministry by Rebecca from the UK, Sarah Kiarie, Kenya, Pastor Andrew Mwiru, Maximum Miracle Center, and many more dancers, movies, prayers, and full impact of the Holy Spirit at Embassy Cinema, Maximum Miracle Center. Entrance absolutely free. Do not forget, it is the Jesus in the House JIT concert on the Friday 14th December from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. at Maximum Miracle Center, Embassy Cinema. Welcome.